Welcome to the second part of the installation. Having done your installation completely through the installer, the next thing is to create database and prepare your system for running. Once again, I want to congratulate you for choosing SchoolSuite educational management software, from admin to account to students to parents, everything that you need to run a successful and stressful school. Now, the application is installed on your program, My Program directory, or you see the icon on the desktop. You double click it to run it, and the first thing that should be done is to create the database. That is, if you have to create the database, then you click create database. Then you type source space db.sql. This will ensure that all the database table is created. At this junction, please ensure that your power cable is connected. It should not cut on the way. Make sure you have power reserved for the next 10 minutes to complete this installation. If the process is taking long, please just be patient. It's a large database, so please just be patient and let the process complete by itself. Any interruption might disrupt the flow of the application. No, this one is done, so you type quit to conclude the process. Then, you run the application. Yes. The database created successfully. Application will now restart. Good. Now, restarting the application. These are this MP4. They are the video file. They are the instructional manual, the tutorials on how the application runs. At this level, you cannot have access to the application. The application we need to register the application on our server, and to do that you have to activate. When you activate, the machine will be registered on our server. Then we send you the activation code, and this process, you click here. Yes, you copy this information, the name of your school. Let's say Solex Schools. The email address, admin office at SchoolSuitePro.com. Contact mobile, the school mobile address. This school name is the name of your school that you put there. This email address is the email address of the school, or the proprietor, or the person that will receive the activation code that we are going to license your computer that you are installing on to run. Please, if the computer you are currently using is not the one that you'll be using for day-to-day management of your school application, please stop now and start the installation afresh on the computer that you are going to use to run the application. Thank you. Then the client registration number is the registration number or the CD key that was given to you by the vendor that sold the software to you. So you put it here, A76 0 06E. Okay, save information. Okay, so this information will be copied. You painstakingly, you can copy it, and send it to us. Okay, so this information, you send it to this number or this number. These two numbers will only receive SMS. Don't call the number, send SMS. We will respond within the next 2 hours maximum, but please allow for 24 hours to lapse before you start calling us or send text message that you have not received your code. Thank you for your patience. Thank you. So, having done that, then we will send the SMS username and password and activation code to you. So once you receive it on your GSM number that you use to register here, then you type it here: ABC 13B1 EF 6555 78 FF 122 F1 83 63 D7 CF. Then your SMS Soles _ ES and the password Sol 123 ABC. Then you click activate. Yes, it's activated. Yeah. So your machine is now fully registered on a server to run this application. So you can now have access to the modules and start running. So for you to have good understanding of this application, you need to go to our YouTube channel. Let's go to School Suite Pro at YouTube. Log into YouTube, go to School Suite Pro. All the tutorials are there. So when logging in now, you have username and password, and you type admin. Then same thing, password add me, everything lowercase. When you log in, you can go and change the password, but make sure you did not forget the password, because we will not be able to help you from this end if you forget your password. Okay, welcome system administrator. Yes, this is the application. So that's the process. The next process is to put you through the initial setup of your application and setting it up. Thank you for staying with us.